Assalamu alaikum. I am Ikra. Today I tell you about the ear and the mechanism of hearing. Before knowing this, first of all, we must note that what is sound. Sound is a vibration of air perceived by our ears. Healthy ear can perceive sound waves of frequencies from about 20 to 20,000 Hz. This range will become narrower due to aging or noise exposure. Sound waves create signals in the inner ear, which are transmitted into the auditory cortex by the cochlear nerve and the auditory pathway. The sense of sound is produced in the auditory cortex. Sound waves are directed to the external auditory canal by the auricle. Sound waves cause the eardrum, which closes the auditory canal, to vibrate. As you saw, the vibration of eardrum is then transmitted into the cochlea by the ossicles, the hammer, the angle, and the stirrup. Now the stirrup. The base of the stirrup fits snugly into the oval window of the cochlea. The basilar membrane. The basilar membrane located inside the cochlea. It runs along the tip of the cochlea where it turns back and continues in the resonance membrane. The resonance membrane divides the cochlea longitudinally into three cavities: the scala tympani, the scala media, and the scala vestibuli. The cochlea is filled with a fluid which is vibrated by the stirrup. As we observe, high frequency sound causes the vibrations of high frequency in the liquid, which are absorbed in the initial section of the membrane. While the lower frequency vibrations are generated by the deep sounds, enter the cochlea and become absorbed closer to the tip. When a vibration is absorbed, an electrical signal is produced which is transmitted into the brain. The pitch of the sound is encoded by the site of absorption, and this is called the tonotopy. Electrical signals are generated in the organ of Corti. Vibrations spreading inside the cochlea push the tectorial membrane against the hair cells found on the basilar membrane and bends them to generate the signals in the cells. Thus, the organ of Corti transforms the vibrations into the electrical signals which are transmitted into the brain by the cochlear nerve and then into the auditory cortex by the auditory pathway. Finally, the sense of sound is produced in the cerebral cortex. Thanks.